Linux, one of the most secure, open source and highly reliable operating system. Hello guys, today we are going to cover 10 basic commands that every Linux user should know. So, let's get right into it. Open up your terminal. You can use ctrl alt plus T. First command is who am I. Type in who am I. It will show you the current signed in user. Now if you type who am I -- help, it will show you the description of who am I. You can read the description and other options used with who am I command. Next try who am I -- version. It will show you the current version of who am I command. Now alternatively you can use id-un to view the current user, or you can use echo $, and capital letter user, and it will display the same result. Now next command is man. This command shows the manual of each command. So if you type in man -- help, you can read the description and other options used with this command. So let's try man -f and who am I. It will show you the short description of who am I command. Next you can try man -w who am I. It will show you the location of who am I manual page. You can also do man -w man. It will show you the manual page of manual command, and you can also do man man. That will show you the manual page of man command. Next command is pwd. This command print outs the current directory which you are in. Here you can see I am in my home /user directory. You can also read the manual page of pwd. Now pwd can also be used to find out symbolic links. Symlinks are reference files to another file. It is similar like shortcuts in Windows. So you can type in pwd -L. I don't have symlinks in my home directory, so let's try another location. So if I go to mail directory, I have created a symlink of this. And you can avoid symlinks by using pwd -P. So here you see this is the actual path of the directory to which the symlink was referring to. Next command is ls. ls shows the list of all the files and directories. If you want to find out list of files in another directory, you can do ls and the name of the directory. So here it shows me files and folders in desktop directory. Now if you do ls and /enter, it will show you the files and folders of root directory. To find out hidden files that starts with dot, you can type ls-a, and it will show you the hidden files as well. And you can, as you can see here, if you do ls -la, it will display the contents in long listing format. You can also go through the manual page of ls to read out more. Next command is cd. This command is used to change the current working directory. Now you can use two options to change the directory. Use cd with relative path like this. To go back the previous path, type in cd .. Do pwd and check out the current directory. And now you can give absolute path to go into the downloads folder, as you can see here. Okay, let's go to the desktop folder and let's see what we have here. Let's cd back to my example1 folder and try to jump into the example2 folder. Here is how you can do that. Just do cd .. and / and name of the destination folder, and now I am in example2 folder. Now let's try to go inside downloads folder. Type in cd .. as /dot dot and the name of the folder. And now now you can see I'm in the download folder. So do pwd to verify. So to go directly to your home folder, you can type in cd ~. As you can see, now I'm in my home folders, and let's go back to desktop folder and do ls. Now if there are spaces in the name, for example here in my example 4 folder there is space in the name, then you can do cd with single or double quotes with the exact name of the file, or you can avoid spaces by giving the / symbol before this space. Next command is mkdir. This command is used for creating directories. So let's see first what is my current directory, and let me cd to the desktop directory. Now let's create some folders. You can type in mkdir name of the folder, and let's verify if the folder was created, and you see here it was created. Now you can create multiple folder using command like this. Just put the name in curly braces separated by commas without any space. Now verify if the folder were created, and you see here all our folders were indeed created. Now if you want to display a short output while creating folder, then you can use -v option with mkdir, and you see it displays short message that the folder was created. Now you can also read the man page of mkdir to find out other options that can be used with mkdir. So next command is rm. Rm is used to remove any files or folders. Let's go to the desktop folder and let's remove some of the content from here. I'm removing ex1 file. It shows me error, cannot remove, it is a directory. So first let's try to delete file from here. We can write rm file1, hit enter and verify, and you see that our file was removed. Now if you want to remove the directory, then use -r with rm. And now let's verify. So as you see here that x1 is now removed. If you want to remove multiple files, then you can write name of the file with spaces in it. Next command is touch. So touch command is used to create files. Let's go to our desktop directory and make here one file, just touch and the file name. And here we see that our file was created. Now if you want to create multiple files, you can do touch curly braces and give the file name and put number or letters separated with 2 dots. So here you can see the files were created from number 1 to 10. Now you can also remove the files in same way. Just type rm -r and file name and start to end number, and here you can see it was deleted. Let me also remove files starting from 01 until 10. So now let's look up the manual page for touch. We can try a couple of other options with touch. Let's do touch a and file name. It will change the access time of the file. Here you can see it is 1841, and let's type in the same command again. And now you see that the access time was changed. Next command is cp. This command is used to copy files or directories from one place to another. Let's go back to our desktop directory and let's copy file 1 into the example2 folder. Type in cp file name and destination folder, and here you see that file 1 is added to example2 folder as well. Now let's check out the manual page of cp. You can go through the manual page and check what other options can be used with CP. Let's try a couple of options. First, let's create another file using touch, and our file was created. Now let's print out a message while file is copied in another folder. And here you see that file 2 was added in example2 folder. Next is mv. This command moves the file from one location to another. Let's go back to our desktop directory. So let's move file 1 into the example3. Type in mv, file name and destination folder. Now here you can see our file is transferred in example3 folder. You can also rename the file name with mv. Just type in mv, old name of the file and new name of the file. And here you can see that our file name is changed. You can also move folders with mv just like here. And you see that my example2 folder is now moved to example3 folder. Now let's move example2 back to the desktop folder, and you can type in the command like this. Its relative path and absolute path of the destination folder, and our file came back to the desktop folder. I'm giving you two bonus commands, echo and cat. So echo command is used to display a message that is passed as an argument. For example, I am doing echo hello world and passing it into the file. Let's go to our desktop directory, and now if you do cat, it will show you the contents of that file. And if you want to append your message in that file, you can type in echo your message with 2 greater than sign. And now we can view the file contents with cat command. That's all from this video, guys. If you know any other beginner level commands, please type into the comment section. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.